today's video, guys, I'm going to quickly share with you guys another powerful strategy to scalp all these pairs profitably and successfully, especially volatility 75 index, guys. As you can see right now on my chart, this is volatility 75 index, and this is 15-minute time frame. All right, so now when you look at my chart here, this particular strategy that you are seeing here, I am going to share the settings with you guys so that you will use this strategy to quick scalp, on any of these pearls, and they'll be able to raise money for your mentorship program, because this particular strategy that you are seeing here is very, very accurate, and you can only enjoy any strategy if you actually knows how each of the pairs moves, which requires you enrolling on a mentorship program to enable whoever that is teaching you to educate you on how each of these pairs moves. So, and that is when you are going to use any strategy, and it's going to work wonders for you. All right, so that is how it is, guys. So with that being said, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, or if this is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from Global FX, and what I do here is whenever I come across any working strategy, any working tips or tricks that will make you a lot of money from the forex market, I make sure I record a video around it and share it with you guys, my audience, my subscribers, and my viewers, just to let you guys know that I really love you guys. So with that being said, guys, let's dive fully into this video. Let me point out the specific zones that you should be looking for whenever you want to open any position. So now, first thing first, before we dive into where you're supposed to be opening your position and how and where you're supposed to quit or close your positions, let's first of all set this strategy up so that you'll be able to know how you are going to set yours up and start using this strategy effectively. So the first thing to do is for you to come to this your F icon here, or indicator column. Then once you click on that place, you open your indicator tab. The first indicator that you're going to add is RSI. Look at it here. All right, so once you click on your indicator, your main chart here on your own, you are going to add this RSI. I'm going to open the settings right now. All you just need to do right now is for you to screenshot what you are seeing, and be sure you set your screen this way. And after setting it up, just click on this particular zone here and it will be set. Then the second one that you are going to add is this particular stochastic oscillator here. I open the settings, take screenshot of what you're seeing right now, and be sure you set your screen exactly this way. And after setting it up, you click the same you click the same done here. All right, you click the same done. Then you will now go back to that same indicator window one, which is this particular place here. You add this moving average. All right, you add this moving average. Then the settings, take screenshot of what you're seeing right now, and be sure you set your screen this way. After setting it up, you click done. You add the last moving average in our indicator window one. Take screenshot of what you're seeing right now, and be sure you set yours this way. And after setting it up, the same turn, you click on it. Then our indicator window one, which is this particular one here, is set. Then we are going to add this particular one right now. So you go back to the same F icon. Go back to the same F icon here. Then you click on this main chart this time around, not this indicator window one again. Main chart. Once you click on this main chart, then you are going to add this particular moving average 10 here on your chart. All right, you add this moving average 10 on your chart, the same settings that you have added in your indicator window one. After adding it, you click done. That is exactly what you are seeing right now here on our screen. All right, so the way this strategy works is this, guys. All right, this is for very very quick scalping, and make a little money for yourself, and use it to enroll yourself on a mentorship program whereby you'll be making a huge amount of money every now and then that you hop on your chart. So now this is how it works. Whenever this stochastic, all right, whenever this stochastic oscillator line crossed each other at this particular 20 level here, all right, or once you spot stochastic oscillator cross each other at probably in this scenario here, in this particular scenario here, the stochastic oscillator crossed each other before these two moving average. It crossed each other somewhere here. So as soon as it crossed each other somewhere here, you are not going to do anything. What it simply tells you is this, that you should get ready, that is about to go down, is about to start buying. All right, so now when you are going to pull your trigger is when these two moving average here crossed each other. Often or always, this stochastic oscillator line is going to cross first, and as soon as it crossed, or as soon as you spot that the two indicators has crossed each other, all you just need to know is for you to be prepared that is getting closer for you to open your position, and you'll be waiting patiently for these two moving average here to cross each other. As soon as the two moving average crossed each other and totally the two moving average and this stochastic oscillator crossed each other like this, then the next thing that you need to do is for you to go to your probably 1 hour time frame. Let me look at 1 hour time frame. Once you spot it this way, guys, this is a confirmed buy signal. All right, make sure you use a proper risk management. Do not go there and blow your account. Always follow this instruction very closely, and if you do not understand anything, be sure to ask me question in the comment section, and I'll definitely answer your question without stress. All right, so now once you spot it this way, guys, you go back to your 15-minute time frame. All right, you go back to your 15-minute time frame and you open your position. As soon as this particular moving average crossed each other, you open your position. If you look at this here, let me use this crossbar here, you will see what I'm talking about. Look at it here. This is where the stochastic oscillator crossed each other here, which is this two line. And I said you will be getting prepared whenever you see the two crossover like that. Then look at where the moving average crossed each other here. All right, this is where the moving average crossed each other, and then look at this place here. All right, as simple as that. You open your position, use a proper risk management, and then open your position. Once you open your position, guys, scalp a little bit and make a lot of money, and make a small amount of money. Probably most of you that are pro traders, you can use this strategy to make a lot of money. All right, that is why I'm saying you can only make a lot of money if you actually knows how the market moves. So pro trader, as a pro trader, you would have analyzed this chart properly, you would have analyzed this pair properly, and you know actually the direction or the market structure of this particular pair. And by so doing, once you apply these two things and see these two requirements or three requirements here, you'll be able to know how long you're going to allow your trade to run. But based on most of the people that are watching this video are newbies, most of them just come into the forex market and they think that they are going to use YouTube videos to make money for themselves. Yes, not that these YouTube videos are not accurately giving you what you want, but the fact still remains that you need who that is going to break it down and walk you hand to hand on how you are going to start making use of these indicators and all that to enable you make a lot of money from the market. So the fact still remains that you need a mentor that can lead you by the way. All right, so that is exactly how the strategy was. So let me go back to another particular place. Whenever you see this particular black line, which is our moving average like this, and the price action is below this moving average, what you should be looking out for whenever you see it this way, just as you are looking at it right now, should be sell opportunity. Look at this here, look at what I'm talking about. All right, so whatever you should be looking for here should be an opportunity, a setup for you to open for sell. All right, don't go there and be looking for buy in this kind place. If you look for buy in this type of zone or this type of curve market, you will not your TP will be hit. All right, you will not make any money from it. So that is exactly how it is. So whenever you see that this particular moving average is like this, the price action is below the moving average, what you should be looking for here in your indicator window one is a particular crossover where you are going to scalp the market, all right, on sell. Now when you look at this here, not all the time you are not going to be seeing signals all the time, all right, but just wait patiently, and whenever you come across any perfect and solid setup, be sure you make use of it and make money for yourself. It's as simple as that. That is how this strategy works. And if you look at this place here, you will see what I'm telling you this is where the stochastic oscillator crossed each other, and now this is where the moving average crossed each other officially here. All right, so now if you look at this here, based on this, the overall trend of this particular pair, all right, this V75 index right now, the overall trend of V75 index right now is trending downwards. So you will be seeing more of sell opportunities than buy opportunities. So you will not see this buy opportunity very clearly because this trend is downward trend. All right, so that is why you cannot see it perfectly spelled out like this. All right, so but when you look at this here, you will see this here. All right, look at this movement. You will see that it was spelled out very well here. Look at this here, look at this here, and you can take this from this zone and you roll it down. You can see that the whole price action obeyed this moving average, and all of them stayed below the moving average line on our main chart. It's as simple as that, guys. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. If you look at my chart here, you will see that all these things that you're seeing here, all this particular red line that you're seeing here, these red lines are the things that I marked when I was analyzing this chart before now, not today, not even yesterday. All right, so that is exactly how it was. So for you to get perfect signals this period, you must be looking more of sells, because the pair is trending downwards. So whatever setup that you should be looking for must be a sell setup, and only the sell setup will be spelling itself out properly. All right, so that is exactly how it is. And if you are using this strategy on any other pair, be sure to follow the same rules, be sure to follow the same protocol, and you are going to make a lot of money from it. Now if you look at this here, this place is supposed to be a buy scenario, but you can only open your position on buy buy here if you actually know how the pairs works. If you have analyzed this particular pair and see that okay, this pair will be trending shortly upward here. All right, but if you want to follow this particular indicator or this particular strategy here, you cannot see a specific place that you are going to open your position, because it will be confusing you. But why is it confusing you? Still remain the fact that the pair is trending downward, and you cannot be looking for uptrend in a downward situation. Not that you cannot see buy setups on downwards movement, but it's very advisable for you to be on the safer side. It's very advisable you look for a setup that is correlating with the movement of that particular pair at the moment. So now if you look at these particular places here, look at all these ones. All right, look at, as long as this market moves, look at the setups are not actually clear. I am not condemning the fact that you cannot buy right now on volatility 75 index, but I'm still saying it. You can only know where to buy and where to stop buying if you actually know how the pairs moves. All right, if you actually know that the pair is trending downward right now, for you to scalp volatility 75 index as well on buy setups, you must be very smart about that. So that is exactly how this strategy works. And if you are getting value from this video, do not forget to smash that like button, and also share this video with your friends and family. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share another powerful content, you'll be able to be notified that I have shared another valuable content that will help you make money from the market. And also do not forget to watch my previous video, which I shared with you guys how to trade W and M pattern. So in the next video, I am going to share with you guys the M patterns, which I told you guys that I'm going to be making that particular chart pattern videos as series. All right, so the next one that is coming up after this particular video is going to be an M pattern, and you guys need to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be able to be notified whenever I drop that particular video. So now when you look at this place here, you will still see what I'm talking about. This is the movement to downward, and then when you look at this here, this is where this particular stochastic oscillator crossed each other, and this is where the moving average crossed each other officially. And then you see what happened here. The price respected this moving average on our main chart here. The price respected it very well. But when we were seeing this buy scenario here, you can see what was going on here. You can see the way the whole thing was mixing up. All right, even though we are seeing it like this here, but look at where we are supposed to get our entry. We are not seeing any clear picture of what we are seeing. So that is exactly how it is. So if you are getting value, just as I said earlier on, do not forget to smash that like button. And also, if you want me to mentor you, do well to use the number in the description of this particular video that you're watching right now. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number there. I mean the serious minded people, and I'm going to for the sake of you raising money for your mentorship program, I'm going to give a discount on the first 5 people that is going to request for mentorship program. I mean the people that are ready. All right, I'm going to give you a discount on each of the packages that you go for. All right, so just to let you guys know that I want you guys to raise money for a proper mentorship program. So that is exactly how it is, and I'm going to also leave the link to my books in the description of this video that you're watching right now. All you just need to do is for you to grab a copy of those books and go through it, and it's going to help you understand how the forex market moves as well. Now when you look at this particular place as well, all right, when you look at this particular place here, you will also see this is where the crossover happened on stochastic oscillator, and this is where the crossover happened on moving average. Now when you look at it here, when you compare it here, you will see exactly what I'm talking about, guys. It's as simple as that. Be sure to use this strategy very accurate. Be sure to use it very effectively and make a lot of money for yourself. And that is how it is, guys. I don't want this video to be more than this. So see you in my next video. Signing out, Olites. Peace.